Hello everyone, I am Manish and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve for this circuit which has stated that find Thevenin's equivalent voltage and resistance of the given below circuit between these 2 points at A and B. Also find the Norton's equivalent circuit. Like, what does Thevenin equivalent circuit mean? I hope you guys know it. Basically, if 2 points are given, right, A and B, so between those 2 points A and B, we can convert the rest of the circuit as a equivalent resistance RTH and as a equivalent potential VTH, right? And this is AB. So this can be converted like this. So here, like, we have been given this circuit, so also it has state that the Vin voltage is 1, so we have to find the VTH and RTH. So let's go to calculation through method 1, right? So I will tell you the next method how we do that. So first method is basic network theory. We just apply like KVL and KCL. So here, like, for calculation of VTH, what we'll do, so if I want to calculate this VTH, right, the current through here will be 0 because we take the open circuit voltage. So the current through here is 0, here also current is 0. Also one more thing, current through here is also 0 because this terminal is open, so here is also 0. So current over here is also 0, so drop across this is 0 volts, right? So what is this, like, V volts? If I apply KVL, like, from this point and go from here to here, what will be this V volts? So minus V plus V in plus 0 equals to 0, right? So V equals to V in. Now, like, what is this VTH? Right now, if I apply the KVL at the outer loop, we'll get VTH, right? So minus VTH. Now what is this, current through this? The current through this is basically 0 amps of current is coming through here, and through here we have 2V current flowing, right? This is a like dependent parameter of this independent source. So 2V current we have been flowing here, so the current through this will be like this only, because here also the current is 0. So here the 2V current will flow through this loop only. So 2V is flowing through this loop only. So this will be minus 2V times 5 plus 0 because the drop across the 1 ohm is 0. So VTH equals to minus 10V. And what is V? V is V in. So what is VTH? VTH is minus 10 V in, and V in is given as 1 volt in our question. So VTH will be equals to minus 10 volts, right? So VTH will be minus 10 volts. So let's go for the calculation of RTH. So for RTH, what we will do is short the like independent sources and apply a voltage source VO and measure the current through it. So like you can do opposite also, apply a current source and measure the voltage through it. So how will we measure the current IO? So one thing what we can observe is, like, if this IO is flowing through here, right, through this circuit this IO will go in, and out also this IO will come out, right, through this whole circuit. That's what a network does. So if some IO goes through a network, the same current IO will flow out, right? So this is just a network in between, so this IO will flow through here also, IO. So what is the current through here? First I have to calculate the V. So this is ground, right? If this is ground, basically if I apply a KVL again through this loop, right, I will get the value of V. So applying minus V, this is plus minus IO, the drop across this. So minus IO equals to 0. So V equals to minus IO. So the value of V is minus IO. So here what is the current? 2V. Here what is the current? IO minus 2V, right? So again applying KVL through the outer loop. If I apply the KVL, VO minus VO plus 5 IO minus 2V plus IO equals to 0. So like, what is 2V? Minus 2 IO, right? So it will be VO equals to 5 times 3 IO plus IO. So VO by IO equals to 16 ohms, which is the RTH, right? So RTH is 16 ohms. So this is one method for solving this question. We can solve this with another method also. Basically like if we observe this circuit carefully, right, it is basically a small signal model of a common source amplifier with source degeneration, right? So like this R is the degeneration resistance, and this is the small signal model of common source amplifier, right? So here what are the parameters? So GM in our case, here we can see it's 2, right? And this is the VGS. GM is 2. Basically it's in Siemens, 2 Siemens. And what is the RO? RO is 5 ohms, right? RO is 5 ohms. What is the R? R is 1 ohms. R equals to 1 ohms. So we have got the parameters. Now if I like draw the like small signal like model, this is the basically the equivalent like circuit. Here we are taking the VO, this is R, this is V in, right? And if I just draw the output resistance of MOS, right, this is R0, and some current GM VGS is flowing. In the first case, right, when we are calculating the output voltage, that is the open circuit voltage, the current through here is 0, right? Current through here is 0. So what will happen? Basically if the current through here is 0, then again that same concept, right? Through this whole circuit the current is 0, then again some current will come out, this same current, right? So this will be also 0 amps. So current through here will also be 0 amps. So this has ground potential, right? This is grounded. Basically this is grounded. So this is grounded. Then what is the VGS of this MOSFET? This is V in, right? So what is the current? The current is GM V in, which will circulate around this. So what will be V out? V out will be minus GM VGS times R naught. So I hope you are understanding this whole GM VGS current, right, is circulating through this MOS only. So that's why we are getting negative sign. So we have got the GM, right? GM is basically 2, and VGS in this case is 1 because the gate is connected to like input, and the like source is grounded because this the current through the like degeneration resistance is 0 amps. So VGS is V in times R naught. R naught is 5 in our case, and V in is 1, so it's minus 10 volts, same as previous case. Now if I draw for the second case, right, if I draw for the second case, this is VO, this is R, this is like V in, and we have one output resistance of MOS RO. So here what we are doing is, this is not 0 amps of current, right? We are applying some plus minus VO voltage, and we are measuring the IO current. So like what is the current? So here like what we can see is this whole IO current, right? Again the same concept is flowing through here only, this IO. So if we derive the like output resistance, we remember the formula. If you don't, like we can derive it also, but I am not deriving here. I have like posted one like shorts, you can watch that. So here the formula for VO over IO, right, which is R out equals to R plus RO plus GM RO R. So what is R? R is 1, RO is 5, GM is 2 times 5 times 1, which is equals to 16 ohm. So you can solve like this also, like okay, like but one thing you have to obviously remember the formula. So if you remember the formula of like a common source amplifier with source degeneration, the output resistance, then you will be able to solve this. Else you have to derive the formula for the output resistance, right? So this was basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.